Let's now shift our focus to news that we're tracking from the world of business. Now, this is the gems and jewellery sector that has witnessed a significant decline last month, with the exports coming down significantly. Take a look at this report.
India's gems and jewellery exports are seeing a decline. The exports plummeted by nearly 19% in August, dropping to over $2 billion. This is concerning. The decline reflects a significant fall from $2.47 billion during the same period last year. While year-on-year comparisons reveal this sharp downturn, there is a glimmer of hope. August exports showed an uptick from July's figures, which stood at just $1.66 billion. There is a need to focus on revitalizing key markets like the United States and China to regain momentum in our exports. The most significant declines were observed in the diamond sector, with exports of cut and polished diamonds decreasing by 26%. This is down to $1 billion from $1.36 billion last year. Additionally, gold jewellery exports contracted by 1.15%, totaling $687.69 million. Despite these challenges in international markets, the domestic jewellery sector remains resilient. The recent price corrections in gold, following a customs duty cut, are anticipated to boost buyer interest. Moreover, the upcoming festive season is also expected to increase sales.
And a quick look at the top business stories. The Securities and Exchange Board of India has imposed a penalty of 1 crore rupees on industrialist Anil Ambani's son. This after he failed to exercise due diligence in approving corporate loans at Reliance Home Finance. Despite a board's directive against such approvals, he's been asked to pay a fine within 40 days' time. The Indian rupee closed lower by 2 paise at 83.54 against the US dollar on Monday, ending a 6-day gaining streak. This was due to a strengthening dollar and rising crude oil prices. Although it opened higher at 83.4 rupees, the gains were diminished by a decline in India's services PMI, while domestic equity markets have seen gains. With Sensex and Nifty reaching record highs, the overall rupee performance remains strained. The unemployment rate for individuals aged 15 and older remained steady at 3.2% for the period from July last year to June 2024. The unemployment rate for males saw a slight decrease, while that for females increased significantly. The worker population ratio also improved, reaching 58.2% compared to 56% in the previous year. India's finished steel imports from China surged to a 7-year high during the first 5 months of this financial year. It reached a 3.7 million metric tons. Overall, India imported 1.1 million tons from China, making China the largest exporter of finished steel to India. The labour strike at Samsung's plant in Tamil Nadu has escalated, posing a significant threat to the region's manufacturing ecosystem. The labour warned that if demands were not met, they will continue with this stir. Prolonged unrest could lead to job losses and decreased investor confidence. The situation, in fact, is concerning as India reviews its free trade agreements with South Korea and ASEAN nations, with the potential for further escalation affecting these critical negotiations.